Hi, Mark. Welcome back to Blue Steel.
Welcome back. It's always so good to talk to you.
Don't you love the fresh smell of a gun store in the morning?
I do. You know, it was so funny right when you opened the door and let me in. I love that smell. You smell it. It's just like, love that smell.
It's a comforting smell if it's someplace that you're familiar with, like going to the hardware store, the automotive store, if you're always in there and you're just like, oh yeah. It's the smell of gun oil and grease and cosmoline and lots of dirt. There's dirt and dust in every single one that comes in that's been used, a little bit of that powder. So
and of course everybody's using different chemicals and different,
right, so it's just it's just a nice smell.
It is a nice smell. It's a very familiar smell. I like it a lot.
I don't hate it myself.
Should make a potpourri out of it.
You know, I bet actually they do, and I
they
kind
make
of
the scent of guns.
Probably. I've also joked that there is a gun oil that I would wear as perfume. It's not hops, number 9. It is not, whatever you call it, hops, hoppies, hoppers, number 9. I've heard it all. No, that's not my favorite perfume. My favorite perfume is G96.
G96.
Oh man, I would wear that perfume every day of the week.
Funny.
Best gun cleaner.
You're gonna have guys all around the world putting G96 on their necks and wrists.
Right? And
good job.
And
Maggie.
ladies
You're
everywhere.
Start a trend.
And ladies everywhere would be like, you smell fantastic. What is that? Yeah, that's gun oil, baby.
That's gun oil. G96. You're going to get a call from G96 to do a commercial.
No, but I have spoken to the family that runs the company and the daughters of the man who holds the original patent for that. So they're a really cool family-owned business, still family-owned to this day, and they do make a really fantastic product, and it just happens to not have that overly chemical smell. Just, it's really pleasant, and you can always tell when a manufacturer uses that particular oil too. You open up the box and I'm just like, oh, yes, smell this.
96.
I walk around with the shop rag it's just soaked in gun oil and dirt from cleaning all the guns and wiping them down and everything. And yep, smells like G96. Somebody walks in and maybe they've been outside construction all day long and maybe they don't smell so good. You might see me holding a rag to my nose. I'm sniffing the G96. It's just, it's awesome. It's okay. It's all right. and everybody else that's watching this video is going to go, that's the way she's a little loopy. It's the G96.
The G96.
It's the G96.
Now I'm going to have to smell G96. I've never even smelled it. Oh, do you have it?
I do.
Oh, gosh.
Where's my rag, actually? I'm gonna have to restart the timer.
That's all right.
Towel just a little bit. So, because eventually they dry out.
And you just oil up all the guns with this here. Is that why this place smells so good? Is that what it is? You guys use this stuff? You know, the chemist in me does not want to just stuff it up to my nose.
So
I'm gonna do
the whiff.
Oh, I get that. Yeah, it's a very familiar smell.
Right?
I smelled that. It reminded me of a past. You ever have a smell that reminds you of the past?
Yes. So
that's interesting.
That's because they use a naturally occurring organic compound that you've probably ingested before.
What is it?
Willingly. I think it's banana oil.
Banana oil?
I think it is.
What do they use banana oil
You'd have
other than G96?
Bananas.
Oh, so
it smells like it's got that.
I don't.
It's got a kind of a tropical, like a fruit smell almost.
That's interesting.
to it,
banana
and it's
flavor is one of my favorite flavors. So
There-
like banana candy.
there you go. But
Yeah.
I mean, you have to go through and read the.
Interesting.
Is it MSD?
Don't sniff it.
Yeah, no, don't
yeah.
huff gun oil. Please,
Let's just throw that discllaimer out there.
please
But
do not
you know
huff
what I
gun
am
oil.
curious about is I'm gonna.
Probably have to open it back up.
Oh yeah, okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go see Laurel. I'm gonna go see my wife after this. I'm gonna do this.
I'd be like, here, see if you like this perfume, right? Right?
I will, at the end of this video, like by the time I edit this, I'm gonna be like, all right, here's
It
here's what
dissipates.
she said.
It dissipates
She
pretty quickly.
hates the smell of hops. She gets angry at me if I'm cleaning guns in the house. She hates that smell.
I hate that. I mean, I don't
Interesting. All right.
hate that smell. It's a familiar smell. I don't hate it, but yeah, it is very chemical.
Yeah.
It is
daunting,
super. It's the way my husband probably feels, and my dad, my husband's feel. Oh, husbands plural? No, only one. Sorry. Let's try that again. My dad and my husband feel the same way about nail polish remover. That
I do too.
acetone.
Yeah, that's terrible. That's terrible.
And I agree. Some chemical smells are too overpowering for a small space.
That's definitely better than hops. Now, I'm sure everybody at this point is thinking to themselves, why are we watching this? What are they even talking about?
They're loopy on gun oil, and they're
So, why don't we just close it at that? All right, well, Maggie, gosh, thank you so much. It's always so fascinating to talk to you. We really appreciate you.
You're so welcome, and this is the best circus I have ever been allowed to be a part of. And
good.
it's cool.
It is a fun circus. Well, thank you so much. We'll see you next time.
You're welcome, Mark.
All right.
Take care.
You too.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.